I greet you all my people, my dear African people, my dear Nigerian people, my dear Igbo people. This is Igbo History TV. Welcome once again. It's very, very unfortunate we don't know what we have. And those who know the value of what we have are using it to their own advantage and also against us. This video you are seeing now is where the white men kept all the deities they forcefully taken from our land. But I thought it is high time they give us an account of that amount of money these artifacts has held for them all this while it is in their custody. We don't know what we have. These people came here to demonize our deities and our way of life. Instead of destroying all these deities or these images, they took them and used them to make money for themselves. They took advantage of our ignorance and naiveness. They took advantage of it and used it against us. They came demonizing our way of worship, our own traditional religion. They came also and took all our deities and traditional artifacts and kept to their museum. And it started yielding money, huge amount of money for them. Now some of us are still going there to see what has been in our land or what was once in our land and pay them some money, something they did not pay to collect from here. They paid us nothing. Some of them were stolen by these people. But today, our African man will start to demonize the ancestors, say the ancestors know nothing. These same people say that our ancestors has contributed nothing to the growth of the world. Yes, they said it, that we have never invented anything. But these things was made by black men. Primitive men made this thing with their own wisdom. How will you compare us with the white man? Say that we have not manufactured anything. Have you forgotten that necessity is the mother of invention? Necessity brings invention. Our people are contented with what they had. That's why they never invented most of those things you thought they would have invented. Yes, they were very much strong. They were very much strong. So they never invented most of those things you thought they would have invented because they have no need for it. They had no need. They are not in need of those things that time. And all this while we have been under colonization. How will you expect somebody that is in prison to invent something? The white man has been able to do all these things because we have been in their prison. Yes, up to today we have been in their prison. That's why we cannot be able to invent anything. We are under them. Anything they provide for us, we use it. We are using their phone because we are still under their colonization. Most of these countries that are inventing something are totally free from the white influence, but we are not. No black nation is totally free from white influence. This is why we are where we are today. And some people are not aware of this. But I want to enlighten you more on this. Their educational system, their industries, their technology, everything, we under it in their prison. All this, you think independence is freedom. No, independence is not freedom. It's just a diplomacy. Independence is just, what will I call it? A camouflage. Just a camouflage. The same people that found something that is precious in your land can never leave your land just like that. They can never leave your land just like that. It is never done. They are still controlling our economy. They are still controlling our leaders. They are still the one imposing all these leaders on us. These people that carried our deities and told you that these deities are evil, that this, that. But it is yielding money for them. It's high time we use our teeth to count It's high time we use our tongue to count our teeth. I still remain your brother, Chiso Natugo. Keep on following my channel. Keep on following my channel. You learn a lot of things from here. Thank you.